Hello guys, this is Shivani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about reusable pads. I don't know if y'all are aware of reusable pads, but let me explain about it. So the reusable pads I use are from P-Safe brand and they are literally just amazing. So let me first explain you about the normal sanitary pads which we use from the local brand. So the normal sanitary napkins can cause you a lot of issues like itchiness, fungal infections in vagina and whatnot. So switching to reusable pads was a good decision and it will be for you as well. If you know that a normal sanitary pad takes 500 to 800 years to decompose because they are made up of plastic which is non-biodegradable, and this can lead to health and environmental issues. And the people in rural areas can't really buy those sanitary napkins because they are not really affordable. They use cloths and everything, and that causes a lot of health issues. So nowadays we are trying to avoid as much as plastic as we can, and therefore we are switching to menstrual cups and there's reusable pads. So let's talk about these reusable pads. So this box has got 4 pads in it. 3 of them are regular size, which is XL size, because they fit me very well, and there is this one pad which is the biggest one for the ones who experience a lot of bleeding and the ones who are unsure about the small ones. They can use this overnight also, and I usually use this. So they have got this pouch as well. We can carry these pads in this pouch. So the best part about this pads are they have got these buttons which will literally seal and won't move at all. It's like this. So these are like very great pads for the ones who are experiencing heavy flows, like initial days of your periods or any day. You just can use this long one, and I personally prefer to use this short one because it is like a perfect size for me. But anyways, depending upon the flow, you can use the big one as well. And talking about the packaging, this box is made up of 100% recyclable paper, and I really like that about this brand. And they've got everything mentioned on the box itself. They have written everything like the usage and how to wear and how to wash the pads. The best part about this is it will last you up to 12 months, and I am really liking this a lot. Like the pads which we normally use, it comes for like 350 or 400 for like 30 pads. They are not at all affordable. It will actually last you up to 2 months, and obviously depending upon the flow it can last you up to 1 month also. Those usual sanitary napkins can cause you discomfort, fungal infections, dryness, itchiness. They are not really very comfortable, and I don't really like the wings. They don't stick properly and it is very uncomfortable and irritating to remove those wings, and even they get stained on. So there is no issue with this pad. So the lining of this pad is leakage proof. You won't experience any leakage from this. It is very easy to use and very easy to even wash. You just have to soak this in cold water with some soap in it. Not use irons or anything, just completely air dry or sun dry it. और दादी माँ एंड नानी माँ के ज़माने वाले, they used to uh, use that cloth napkins and everything, which I've seen even nowadays in rural areas. They do use that napkins, cloth napkins and everything. I really don't like that. Many women suffering from a lot of issues through that, like rashes and fungal infections and whatnot. That is not even leak proof. Like it will stain your panties a lot, and this will make sure it will not stain your clothes and panties at all. It has got a very powerful soaking layer. It might feel very thick, but it won't show up through your clothes. These are also very travel friendly. You get this pouch where you can just fold these pads like this, and you can store this pads in this pouch and take wherever you can. This is like very soft, and you can just crunch them and keep them in your sling bag or normal wallets or college bags or any purses also. This is very hassle free and travel friendly. This pack of 4 reusable pads comes for 499 rupees, which is very affordable, I think, and it's a good investment. For like a year, you are going to use these pads, and if you have female siblings and your mother, they can also use this. Just make sure that you don't share your pads with each other for like hygiene purpose. You must have experienced a lot of smell in those sanitary napkins, those plastic sanitary napkins. That can be very irritating as well, and this one will make sure that you won't experience any odor. And talking about my experience, I have used it thrice now and I'm really in love with this. I haven't felt any issues or any discomfort with this one. I have had a very good experience with it. It was leakage proof, it didn't stain my clothes or it didn't stain my panty as well. It was very easy to use and very comfortable, as it has very soft fabric compared to those plastic sanitary napkins. This is the very better option, trust me. And with those plastic napkins, I used to feel a lot of rashes, a lot of dryness during the periods. It is very irritating and frustrating, and I'm really happy regarding my decision to switch to this reusable pads. So I really want all the girls out there watching my video, please switch your normal plastic pads to this reusable sanitary pads, and it will save a lot of money and lot of wastage. Also, do let me know if you have any questions in your minds regarding this product. You can DM me on my Instagram or FB, or even ask me in the comments as well. So that's it guys, I hope this video was really helpful for you all. Thanks, bye bye.